Hi, I'm Will Baker from George Stewart's 9 a.m. physics class. In this podcast, I'm going to demonstrate the magnetic field that is produced by an electric current. First, we'll take a look at the materials needed for this experiment, as well as the procedure involved in demonstrating this electromagnetic property. Alright, now this is a fairly simple experiment, so fortunately there aren't many materials needed. First of all, you'll need a 6-volt battery. You'll need about a yard or so of 18 gauge copper wire, insulated of course. You'll need one long iron nail, or in this case a grungy old screw. And then lastly, you'll need a bunch of paper clips that can be attracted to the electromagnet. Now the first bit of work you'll have to do for this experiment is to strip the insulation off of both ends of the wire. About a ½ inch or so should be just fine. This can be done with wire crimpers or carefully with a knife or scissors. These exposed copper pieces will serve as contact points with the battery when we go to supply electricity to our electromagnet. The next step in creating our electromagnet is to wrap the wire around our ferrous nail or screw. Make sure to leave at least 6 inches or so on either end to give yourself some leeway when we go to touch the exposed wire ends to the battery. Now we're ready to conduct the experiment and demonstrate some electromagnetism. Attach one end of the exposed wire to one of the poles on the battery and place your screw near the pile of paper clips. As you touch the other end of the wire to the pole of the battery, you can see that the electric current through the wire has created a magnetic field and has successfully magnetized the screw. This is visualized by the paper clips being picked up by the screw. And presto. Today we've demonstrated that an electric current produces a magnetic field. In our case, we showed this via an electromagnet. The experiment was taken from the list provided by my instructors, and all video and images are property of the author. Once again, I'm Will Baker from the 9 a.m. physics class. Thanks for taking time to check out my podcast and have a great day.